would offer the same thing to you. We appreciate your offer, but what?
But we don't need your charity?
Yes, you do. You were struggling before she left. At noon today, the whole world is going to know that you suffered another blow.
The only thing the world's going to know is Jessica had such confidence in our abilities that she decided to move on to another phase of her career.
I don't care how you want to spin it. Even if you manage to keep your clients, you've got a boulder headed your way and you know it.
What are you talking about?
Which one of you two is going to take Jessica's seat at the table? Because you can only avoid that question for so long, and my money says that the second I leave this room, you two are going to fight to the death. What's left of this firm is going to be ripped apart. So, come see me when that reality sets in.
You were right. We should hire a new class.
What, are you kidding me? You're gonna ignore that gauntlet he just threw down? He wasn't throwing down a gauntlet, Lewis. He was trying to capitalize on an opportunity. Bullshit, he challenged our leadership. And if we don't get it together right now, he's gonna tell the entire city that we can't even agree on who's in charge. Lewis, Jessica's flight hasn't even